Unlocking the mystery, rocket in my pocket. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that might have caught your ear. Rocket in my pocket. This expression is colorful and evokes vivid imagery, but what does it actually mean? Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and origins. Whether you're learning English or just love diving into idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. At its core, rocket in my pocket is an idiomatic expression. Idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't directly related to the individual words. So, when someone says they have a rocket in their pocket, they're not speaking literally. Instead, this phrase is often used to convey excitement, energy, or being ready to take action. It's akin to saying one has an ace up their sleeve or they're bursting with energy and enthusiasm. The exact origins of rocket in my pocket can be a bit elusive, as is the case with many idioms. However, it likely draws from the imagery of a rocket, symbolizing speed, power, and the excitement of launch. This expression might have gained popularity from music, literature, or colloquial speech, encapsulating the feeling of being charged up or ready for something thrilling. Understanding when and how to use idiomatic expressions can be a bit tricky for English learners. Rocket in my pocket is best used in informal contexts. Here are a few examples to guide you. Expressing enthusiasm: I've got a rocket in my pocket for this project. I can't wait to get started. Highlighting readiness: with all the preparations done, I feel like I have a rocket in my pocket for tomorrow's presentation. Remember, idioms like this one add color and personality to speech, making your communication more vivid and engaging. It's also fascinating to see how idiomatic expressions have variations across different English-speaking cultures. While rocket in my pocket might be understood broadly, its usage and popularity can vary. Understanding these nuances is a part of mastering the English language and appreciating its diversity. And that wraps up our journey into the meaning behind rocket in my pocket. We hope you found this exploration enlightening and that it adds a new phrase to your English repertoire. English is a language rich with expressions that paint pictures and convey emotions in unique ways. Keep learning and experimenting with new phrases, and you'll find your communication becomes more expressive and engaging. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.